The SoutheastClutch Pre-Bled clutch master cylinder is designed for a hassle-free, high-performance clutch system upgrade. Engineered to meet OEM specifications, each kit is carefully assembled in the U.S. using only top-quality components. The pre-bled design ensures that installation is smooth and quick, saving you time and effort during your clutch system replacement. This eliminates the need for additional bleeding, making the process easier and more efficient. SoutheastClutch prides itself on producing 100% functionally tested products, ensuring that every part performs to the highest standards of quality and reliability. Whether you're looking to replace a worn-out component or upgrade your clutch system, SoutheastClutch's commitment to quality ensures that your vehicle will perform at its best, maintaining the same level of performance you expect from OEM parts. One of the standout features of the SoutheastClutch clutch master cylinder is the unbeatable customer support. With a highly trained support team, you're assured of expert assistance for any technical questions or concerns. This product saves you from costly repairs. One satisfied customer even avoided a $2,800 clutch replacement by using this pre-bled solution. If you're ready for a reliable, high-quality clutch system upgrade, click the link in the description to purchase now and experience the ease and efficiency of SoutheastClutch.